Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do ghost zoom on Alight Motion. First, open the Alight Motion application and create a brand new project. Next, import your chosen media, whether it is an image or a video clip, into your timeline. An essential first step is to duplicate this layer, creating two identical copies. This second layer will be crucial for achieving the unique ghost effect we are aiming for. Now, select the top duplicated layer in your timeline. This is where we will apply the primary effects. Go to the Effects panel and add the displacement map effect to this selected layer. Carefully adjust its settings, particularly the X and Y displacement values, to introduce a subtle yet noticeable distortion. This effect is fundamental for creating the ethereal, ghost-like appearance as the zoom occurs. Next, we will animate the zoom. Add an initial keyframe to the scale property of your top layer at the beginning of your desired zoom. Then, move forward a few frames and add a second keyframe, significantly increasing the scale value here. For a truly professional and smooth animation, open the graph editor and adjust the curve between these two keyframes, perhaps using an ease-out curve. To enhance the ghost effect, add a motion blur effect to the top layer. This will create a more realistic and fluid trail as your object zooms. Take some time to fine-tune the timing and intensity of all the effects you have applied, ensuring everything flows seamlessly. Once you are satisfied with your ghost zoom animation, export your finished video in your preferred resolution and frame rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.